Deepavali, the festival of lights, the festival of prosperity. Year on year, we celebrate this vibrant festival to invite the goddess of wealth to come and stay in our place. We clean the house, we decorate it, we bring light to every corner of the house and open all the doors to welcome the goddess. As children, we used to ask, when will she come? Can I see her? Parents would dodge the question and say, she comes after you have slept. So, does she really come? Does she find her way to our decorated floors, through our open illuminated doors? Does she come to our house? No, she doesn't come. We shouldn't be surprised or shocked. Why would she come? During the 5-day festival, how much attention do we pay to her? How much are we really with her? The only time she gets some mention is possibly during the puja time. But then also, it's only a mention, not the attention. Many of us are actually preparing for the photo shoot. During the puja, are we really with her? Do we even remember how her face looks like? It's a festival to worship her, to establish a connect with her. But we do not even look at her attentively for a few seconds. I wonder how she would have felt all these years. No, she will not come. Unless we change. Repeating the rituals over the decades, we have forgotten the real intent behind it. And now we are left with only the hollow outward actions without any deep feelings or inner connect. This year, let's change this. This year, let's make a new beginning. We celebrate Diwali for 5 days. Let's have 5 special minutes dedicated to her as a very special connect time. This time, let's celebrate Diwali Dil Se. So just before we perform the puja on Diwali day, let's take out 5 minutes only to connect with this divine entity in a very special way. Let's begin. If you are not ready for it, please pause this video, get ready first, and then resume. So, for the next few minutes, just pause, stop rushing, and be still in your body and in your mind. Settle down on a comfortable place, sitting in a relaxed manner, facing the picture of the goddess. Keeping your eyes open, become aware of your surroundings, the decorations, the lights, the vivid colors around. Take your attention to the puja arrangements and focus your eyes on the picture where the goddess of wealth is sitting along with the goddess of wisdom and the god of new beginnings. Become attentive to the details in the picture. Feel a sense of connect with them. If you like, you may join your palms together in Namaskar Mudra and slightly bow your head. At this point, gently close your eyes. You may feel a sense of reverence for them, as if you are bowing down to these divine entities. You don't need to know if they really exist or not, but you may notice that this feeling of reverence is making you feel good, making you feel more stable, possibly giving a sense of peace and positivity. You need not believe or disbelieve in anything, just follow your heart. At this point, you might recall that goddess is sitting on lotus flower, and all the three gods carry a lotus flower in their hands. Imagine receiving one of these flowers in your heart. The way lotus remains pure and untouched by the mud and water around, your heart is also getting absolutely pure, resilient, and unaffected by anything happening inside or outside. Imagine the energy of the lotus spreading in your whole body, and all the tensions and impurities are melting away. That's the real cleaning of the house, the inner house. Our house is now ready to welcome the richness offered by the goddess of wealth. In your mind, recall her face and become aware of the love and compassion in her eyes for all of us. The richness spread around her in the picture is just the manifestation of this love and compassion. Feel the connect with this richness. Visualize receiving a large gold coin from her in your heart as a token of this richness. Feel the energy and light of this gold coin spreading in your heart, mind, and body. Your whole being is getting rich with this energy. Your thoughts are getting richer with positivity and big thinking. You are getting rich emotions of joy, peace, and stability. Your relationships are getting richer with deep bonds, quality time, and joyful moments. You are getting rich in every possible sense. This inner richness is now spreading out and creating new paths for prosperity in your outward life. Notice how this makes you feel. Become aware of your feelings in this moment. You may experience a sense of gratitude towards these divine entities for being the source of guidance and filling you with these powerful and positive feelings, for blessing you with the real richness of life. Stay in this feeling of gratitude for a few moments. Now, as you are about to go back to participate in the celebrations outside, let this richness continue to stay in your mind and heart throughout the day, throughout the festival, and beyond. Commit to yourself to strengthen this richness of life to spread it around, and to share it with the larger society. Continuing to be in the awareness of your feelings, you may now slowly open your eyes. And as you open your eyes, look at the divine entities again. You may bow down to them with gratitude. We believe now you may not need to wait for the goddess to enter the house at night. She has already entered your house. We wish you all a very happy Diwali and continued prosperity in its true sense.